How to fix laptop battery not charging issue. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be taking you through a step-by-step guide on how you can fix if your laptop battery is not charging. So let's just get right into it. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up settings. Right click on your Windows icon and go to settings from here. Once you open up settings, the next step is to go ahead and check for update. Go to Windows Update on the left hand side and tap on check for updates. If there are any updates available, you want to update the app or your software to its latest version because sometimes outdated softwares can cause those kind of problems. The next step is to go ahead and tap on system, find the troubleshooting option, tap on it, then go to other troubleshooters, and it's going to show you many different troubleshooters. If you find one for battery, you can run the troubleshooter from here. And the final step is to close everything out, go to your settings, and search for Device Manager. Once you open up Device Manager, you need to find your battery option here. Click on the drop down on batteries. Then you'll find Microsoft AC adapter and ACPI compliant control method battery. Right click on it, click on update driver. Make sure that the drivers are up to date. Close it out. Do the same thing for the other one. Right click, update driver, search automatically, and you're done. Now just give your PC a quick restart. You should be good to go. If this was helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in the next one.